Dividend investing is a powerful and straightforward way to build wealth. Many assume it requires complex strategies, but that's not the case. In fact, it's one of the simplest and most effective ways to generate passive income. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can create a steady stream of income that can grow over time. This method is accessible to everyone, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out. The key is to understand the basics and stick to a disciplined approach. It's about buying shares in companies that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders regularly. These companies are often well-established and financially stable, making them a safer investment choice. When you purchase shares, you essentially become a part owner of the company. This entitles you to a share of the profits, which are distributed in the form of dividends. The more shares you own, the larger your dividend payouts will be. Think of it like owning a tiny piece of a company, and that company pays you a slice of its profits regularly. This can be a great way to supplement your income, especially if you reinvest those dividends to buy more shares. Over time, this can lead to significant growth in your investment portfolio. The beauty of dividend investing is that it allows you to benefit from the success of the company without having to be involved in its day-to-day operations. You get to benefit from the company's success without doing any of the day-to-day work. This makes dividend investing an attractive option for those who want to build wealth passively. You can sit back and watch your investment grow, knowing that your money is working for you. This is especially appealing for those who are looking to build a nest egg for retirement or achieve financial independence. Reinvesting dividends can supercharge your wealth-building efforts. By using your dividend payouts to purchase more shares, you can take advantage of the power of compounding. This means that your investment will grow at an accelerating rate as you earn dividends on your dividends. Over time, this can lead to exponential growth in your portfolio, allowing you to achieve your financial goals faster. Instead of taking your dividend payouts as cash, use them to buy more shares. This strategy, known as dividend reinvestment, can significantly boost your returns. Many companies offer dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs, that allow you to automatically reinvest your dividends at no additional cost. This can be a convenient and cost-effective way to grow your investment over time. This creates a compounding effect, where your investment grows exponentially over time. The longer you stay invested, the more powerful this effect becomes. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, gathering more snow and growing larger as it goes. This is why it's important to start investing as early as possible and to stay committed to your investment strategy. Look for companies with a history of increasing dividends. These companies are often referred to as dividend aristocrats or dividend champions. They have a proven track record of consistently raising their dividend payouts, which can be a sign of financial strength and stability. By investing in these companies, you can increase your chances of receiving reliable and growing dividend income. Think Pepsi, Johnson & Johnson. Consistency and reliability are key. These companies have a long history of paying and increasing dividends, making them a solid choice for dividend investors. By focusing on companies with a strong track record, you can build a portfolio that provides steady and growing income over time. Dividend income might get special tax treatment, meaning you keep more of your hard-earned cash. In many countries, qualified dividends are taxed at a lower rate than regular income, which can make dividend investing even more attractive. Be sure to consult with a tax professional to understand the specific tax implications for your situation. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow. Happy investing. Remember, patience is crucial. Building wealth through dividend investing takes time, but the rewards can be substantial. By staying disciplined and focused on your long-term goals, you can create a reliable source of passive income that can help you achieve financial freedom. So, take the first step today and start your journey towards building wealth with dividend investing.